In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Vagaro to GoHighLevel. Vagaro currently has no Zapier integration or any other integrations to GoHighLevel, so this video is very valuable. So at the end of this video, you will know how you can integrate Vagaro to GoHighLevel. The first step that we're going to do is going to go to the GoHighLevel app marketplace from within your agency view. The app that we're going to use is called CRM Connector. Okay, this is the CRM Connector app listing. CRM Connector is a tool specifically made to integrate external CRM systems to GoHighLevel. So this is what we're going to use to integrate Vagaro. Right now I'm going to install it so I can show it to you. I've just installed CRM Connector, the tool that we're going to use to integrate with Vagaro. This is your agency view. You can see all kinds of things over here. But for now, I'm going to go to the sub account so I can show you how to integrate Vagaro to GoHighLevel. So as you can see, currently I'm inside of the sub account that we're going to use to integrate with Vagaro. I've installed CRM Connector to the sub account. As you can see, it popped up. This is the integration form that we're going to use. It's really easy. You just search for Vagaro, click Vagaro, and you follow the documentation here. Because of Vagaro is a software that is not very easy to integrate with, you need to follow the full documentation, and then you will get your client ID, secret, and region. So it's very important that you follow this documentation and follow the steps. And after you've done that, you will get your client ID, client secret, and region. And then you select the the data that you would like to have. And then you click establish secure connection, and that's it. Then Vagaro is integrated. So I'm going to do that right now. As you can see, I have just integrated Vagaro to this sub account. All of my contact data is uploaded to the sub account, and they have also been tagged with their status. Every 4 hours, CRM Connector will look for new contacts and upload those to this sub account. So that's how you integrate Vagaro with GoHighLevel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will try to answer all of them.